guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I am sharing with you all an Ulta haul. So as you guys know, life has been crazy right now. School is closed for 3 weeks minimum. We don't know when we're going back. So as a teacher, not only was I really bummed with all of the upcoming plans I had, but we found this out the day before the musical at my school was supposed to happen that I direct, so there were a lot of disappointed kids. I'm very disappointed. We're still hoping we can postpone it and do it later in the school year, but if my vibe is a little low, it's just because of the stress of everything going on. So part of why it's a haul this week is because my family and my brother and his girlfriend and everybody have known, like, it's getting to me and it's making me sad because I mean, like, performances in theater and all that is kind of like my full-time job and teaching, so literally everything I usually spend my time doing has been totally put on shutdown. So I went and picked up a few things from Ulta just because my brother and his girlfriend know, like, that's a good pick-me-up for me. So there were already signs all over the store that were like, please don't use any of the swatches and the makeup samples, ask an associate to help you. So that was a little unnerving. Probably won't be going out anymore to any public places that much. I mean, not out to eat or anything, just because I am trying to be one of the people that is responsibly doing the social distancing. I would encourage you to look up and read more about that. Because I would like to actually get to see the kids again before the end of the school year, and that can't happen if people are using this as an opportunity to go out and party and have a good time and not help to get rid of all of the sickness going around. So, stepping off of my soapbox, getting into the Ulta haul. So, pretty much everything that I got, I think for the most part, I'll let you know if I find an exception, but I shop the clearance a lot. It's something I love to do at Ulta. I talk to you guys a lot about how I don't necessarily pay full price for things. I wait till they've been out for a while. And that's how I can get, you know, more like expensive or name brand or luxury brands of makeup, but be on an affordable drugstore girl budget. So I will let you know down here for each item how much it originally costs, as well as what I was able to pick it up for. And then additionally, of course, you guys, if you've watched my channel before, know I always preach about Ulta's reward program is amazing. When I shopped, because I'm a platinum member, I got 3 times the points on my sale, and I also spent a whole lot less than even you'll see in the descriptions of what they charged me for these items due to some Ulta points I had stocked up. So I got a really good deal on these things. A lot of these items had quite a few in stock in the clearance, so if you're interested in any of these, now might be the time to go online, not in person, to the Ulta store and get these shipped to your door. So the first couple things I picked up were skincare related. I thought these were really, really good finds. My brother's girlfriend, her name's Jenny, she pointed these out to me and I was like, are you kidding me? That's a really good buy. And I was trying to choose between these two at first, and then ultimately I just said, hey, for that price, I'm gonna get them both. So these are both little skincare, just kind of like trial sizes to test out. There's a lot of brands in here that I've heard bigger influencers talk about and I've always been curious about, but never really wanted to pay the full price tag to try them out. They've got brands such as Skin, Dr. Brandt, Kate Somerville, Tula, Origins, Mario Badescu, I think is how it's pronounced, Juice Beauty, Murad, awesome brands. And these are kind of little kits. They're 10-piece kits. They look like this, and then I thought it was cool, this little clasp here on the side opens up so you could actually view everything that is inside. Hold it up here for a minute so you guys can see everything going on in there. The first one has Dermalogica, Dr. Brandt, Estee Lauder, It Cosmetics, Kate Somerville, Lash Food, Mario Badescu, Origins, Skin Iceland, and Tula in it. It was originally $40 and I got it for $9.99, which essentially means each of these samples was $1. So I'm like, that's totally worth it for me. I mean, that's cheaper than Ipsy if you think about it. Their items, their little sample sizes are like, I don't know, $2 and some cents for each item. The next one Also was originally $40, and I got for $9.99. That one includes Boskia, sorry, not sure, Kanika, I don't know. Some of these are unknowns to me. DHC, Juice Beauty, Mario Badescu again, but a different item. Meaningful Beauty, Cindy Crawford, Murad again, Peter Thomas Roth, Philosophy, and Tula. And none of these are repeat items, but this is the same thing where it's got the little clasp that you can open up and you can see all the items on the inside. Again, a 10-piece set, so these were only $1 per item. I thought that was pretty cool to get to test some things out, especially since I am basically going to be stuck inside my house for the next few weeks. Something fun to try and play and discover new things and keep my mind positive and occupied. So I've talked to you guys about this before, but Ulta was running one of their specials where you buy $19.50 of Ulta Beauty collection items and then you get a little baggie free. I've never actually detailed what all is in one of those bags though, so I went ahead and did that special. I bought the matte makeup setting spray from Ulta, and I also bought this flower powder mattifying face powder. Upon first impressions, the spray's fine. Mister's not my favorite. It was a little like, I don't know what you call it, when it like sprays and it's not finely enough and there's like little dots. This did this a little bit, only I've used it one time, so we'll see, maybe it'll get better. And the flower powder, the powder seems to be okay. It seems a little light for my skin tone, which is surprising because I'm so pale. And the rose scent is really overpowering to me, so I will use both of these, but I can't say that I would recommend either one of them. Sorry to say. However, I have used and like some of the things in the free bag that came with it. So this is what came with my purchase of the matte setting spray and the powder. Again, you could buy anything from the Ulta Beauty collection. Those are just the things I chose. It just had to equal $19.50 in value. And here's all the things that came for free. I mean, I say free because it came for free, but you understand you had to buy something to get something, so it's not free per se. But I mean, a lot came in here. So it comes with a little bit of makeup remover wipes. There's 5 of them. They have vitamin E and pro vitamin B5 in it for sensitive skin. It comes with a blush brush. I really like the pointed clear handle on this one. It also includes a matte eye primer in nude. I have used these little baby ones before. I really like them. The next thing in here is a poreless face primer, smooths and refines pores. I have not tried this one before, so that'll be interesting to test out. Then we've got a lipstick in the shade Nudely. You can kind of see the color on the bottom there. I haven't opened it yet. We've also got a Maximum Lashes Defining and Lengthening Mascara, a Jelly Gloss Lip Gel. I don't see a shade name on this one anywhere, but here's the color. It's kind of like a peachy orangey color with glitter in it. And then it came with 2 little mini palettes. The first one is a blush and contour palette. This is what I'm wearing on my face today. I really like the contour worked pretty well. It's not too ridiculous for a light skin tone, but I don't think it would work for deeper skin tones, obviously. That's the only thing about Ulta is they don't normally have much of a choice in these free bags. They seem like they cater a lot more to light skin tones, so for me that's great, but if you're someone with a medium to deep complexion, you might not be interested in this. And then the Cherry Blossom blush here, I'm going to try to capture it in the light, but there is a bit of glitter that is in that blush. I don't know if it's picking up or not. There's some gold glitter in there. I don't think it translates very much to the face though, so I do like that. And then there is an eyeshadow palette, Bloom. You can probably tell they tried to do kind of like a spring vibe for this. There's the eyeshadow palette. I used this today. I have Hyacinth and Tiger Lily, these 2 right here on this end column on my eye today. And then in the inner corner and brow bone, I put on this lilac shade. That's what I'm wearing today on my eyes. Those were the things that came in the free or get with purchase of this bag. I just thought it was kind of cool. Maybe you'd be interested in case you've never taken Ulta up on that offer before. I have 3 more items that I picked up. The first one was this cute little, it's just a hairpin. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's just like a little rhinestone K bobby pin. Thought that would be cute for a video to wear sometime. Ulta now is having more Colourpop items. So I actually bought this XO Lippy Trio that was on clearance from them. And I'm wearing the lip trio. It is a primer, a lip liner, and a lippy sticks, I believe is what they call it on here. And it's in shade XO. This came out with their Cutie palette. I did not get the eyeshadow palette. This is the first Colourpop item I have bought since the Frozen 2 and Colourpop collab lipstick incident that I had. If you haven't seen my video on that, I'll leave it linked in the description down below. But I did not have a similar experience, luckily, probably because this isn't the Luxe Cream formula. It doesn't look like it's going to be a formula that would break off that way. So there's hope yet for your lip products, Colourpop. Lastly, I picked up an IT Cosmetics brush. This was one of their, they come in these tubes like this, special edition brushes. It's a foundation brush. I just thought it was really pretty. I watch Raw Beauty, Christy, and Kathleen Lights. I think I've heard them both talk about this. They used to make these come out in a heart shape, and they both say they think that the heart fits to the contours of the face better than this one. I don't think they sell the heart one anymore. I really liked the handle. I thought it was really, really pretty on this IT Cosmetics foundation brush. I've used it once. I thought it was very comfortable. I didn't find there being any issues or think that it was difficult to do with it being the star shape on the top. I like foundation brushes that are flat on the top like this, so I will continue to use it. But since it was on clearance and it cost a lot less than normally IT Cosmetics brushes are, if you've ever bought one, you know, they're expensive. So I picked this one up while it was cheaper. So yeah, that is all of my Ulta finds for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have had any recent purchases, clearance finds, let me know down in the comments. Would love to hear from you all. If you're new here, hi, welcome. We'd love to have you as part of our group. If you haven't already, please consider clicking the subscribe button. I upload videos every single Sunday. If you have any requests for videos, I will certainly be around in my house the next 3 weeks, so leave me any requests down in the comments as well, guys. Would love again to hear from you, and have a great rest of your day.